can't beat them. Join them. That's gonna be the new nihilist motto, because everybody wants to think they can oh, look at this. I just had to show you guys this. Look at that guy. It's my new favorite piece. It's gonna go in my water fountain. And yeah, I'm just like loving life right now, man. Epiphany upon epiphany upon epiphany. And I'm gonna make this one quick, right? So I have a patent, and in the physical world, we're not talking spirit world here. I'm gonna go to my favorite talking spot. Me and Buddha gonna get down. So check it out, okay? In the physical world, you can patent things. And a patent is so someone can't steal it. And the more I think about it, I'm like, gosh, why do people want to steal so bad? They want it for themselves, right? And what's the like ultimate thing in life? Eternal life. That's the key, right? I'm wearing it on my chest. Eternal life. What's that thing all about? Now, the unfortunate thing, like I said, I wish I could patent it. But it's not mine. It's his. It's Ra. And it was given to me, and it was put in here. And it can't come out of here. I can't write it down. I wish I could write it down. It's like a recipe, right? But it's a recipe I can't write down. I can only show you how to accomplish it. Now, here's the beautiful thing. If you follow the instructions, you too can have eternal life. You just can't have it for yourself, though. Because it's not for just you. It's for everybody of God. If you are of God, you can have this. If you are not of God, you cannot have it. I don't make up the rules. Don't know why it was given to me. Still trying to figure that one out. But all I know is I love sharing it. Because why would you just want to be here in this physical world? Why wouldn't you want to live beyond that, you know? Isn't that what we're all trying to figure out? So I want everyone to have a God day. Pray, fight, unite, and love. That's what I'm all about. Little hint. I would start with the 11-day sacrifice. That's a good place to start. All right? And I'm going to leave it at that. It's that simple. So everyone, have a God day.